Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to insert special characters in Google Sheets. Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in special character panel, but here's what you can do. Open a new browser tab and type docs.google.com to go to Google Docs. Open a blank document by clicking the multicolored plus icon at the top left part of your screen. A new doc will open. From here, click Insert at the top menu and select Special Characters. A pop-up will appear where you can find or draw the symbol you want. Let's select this symbol, then click and drag to highlight the text. Right-click within the highlighted part, then select Copy. Now, we return to Google Sheets and paste it to our desired cell. Right-click your desired cell and select Paste from the menu that appears. So, that is how you insert special characters in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.